Hello, I'm Jeff, Director of R&D, and welcome to the Blount Culinary Corner. Today we're going to make chicken tortilla casserole utilizing our Blount chicken tortilla soup and some other ingredients that are easily found around the kitchen. So first we have some corn tortilla shells that I've cut to fit the diameter of our casserole dish. And we're going to begin by layering in some chicken tortilla soup, some extra pulled rotisserie chicken, a little bit of some black beans, and some shredded cheese. And we'll do that a few times just to fill up the dish itself. So 350 degrees for 15 minutes and you have yourself a nice finished chicken tortilla casserole. Garnish it with sour cream and some fresh cilantro. It's a nice easy dish. For more great ways to use Blount products, click on the link below.